The air was thick with the scent of dust and fear.
Patron, his wiry Jack Russell body tense, sniffed the ground, his small ears perked, catching every nuance of the earthy aroma. The explosion had been hours ago, a tremor that shook the very foundation of the crumbling building, leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. Now, the search for survivors was a desperate race against time. Patron, a hero of the war, had been trained to sniff out danger, to distinguish the faintest traces of explosive residues amidst the chaos.
He had saved countless lives, his keen sense of smell a beacon in the darkness.
But this time, the air held a different kind of tension, a chilling silence that spoke of a tragedy too deep to fathom. He nudged his handler's hand, a silent plea to move on, to search further. The man, a veteran scarred by years of conflict, understood. He knew the unspoken language of his four-legged companion, the subtle shifts in his demeanor that spoke volumes. They moved through the wreckage, a team bound by an invisible thread of trust and purpose.
As they rounded a corner, Patron froze.
The air changed, a subtle shift in the scent, a sharp tang that sent a shiver down his spine. He whined softly, a low, urgent growl rumbling in his chest. The handler felt his heart skip a beat. He knew what this meant.
"Patron, find it," he whispered, his voice barely audible.
He knelt, his hand resting on the dog's head, feeling the tremors running through his small frame. Patron, his eyes fixed on a pile of debris, started digging, his paws frantically scraping at the rubble. The handler watched with bated breath, his every nerve ending on fire. Minutes stretched into an eternity. The dust billowed, the air thick with the scent of desperation. And then, a small whimper, a fragile sound that cut through the silence like a shard of glass. Patron, his tail wagging furiously, nudged a brick aside. There, nestled in a hollow, was a child, unconscious but alive.
A surge of relief washed over the handler.
He scooped the child up, his heart overflowing with gratitude. He looked down at Patron, his eyes brimming with tears. "You did it, boy," he choked out, his voice thick with emotion. He knew, in that moment, that the bond between them was something deeper, something that transcended the battlefield.